We were told of some waterfalls that were about a kilometer up the road from our eco hotel, so we decided to take that walk and check these beautiful waterfalls out and swim in the pools. And what a beautiful walk this was! Absolute beautiful landscape all around us, and it was well rewarded. It was about a kilometer to the entrance, and then quite a bit of a hike into the waterfalls. But, if you want to see these stories, subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell, like the video, comment, and please share so that we can get out there and other people can check out what we're doing. Come and enjoy the ride of Santa Rita La Cascada.
A cool fire pit, huh? So this is a man-made tunnel that was made for the train from Armenia to Bogota. Yeah, you can't even tell the train. Mesa, what does every hillside have?
Every hillside has some kind of like Christian theme, and it makes me wonder why. Like if it's a Christian thing or if it's pre-Columbian, and this is something that they've done for thousands of years.
And they just replaced it with Christian deities?
Yeah, who knows? I have no idea. Truck ahead of us. Well, not the truck right ahead of us. See that? Holy. Okay. Yeah, I got that. I got that. That's what we were talking about. They're on strings, holding on to the back of that truck.
Oh my god! Oh my god. He just almost got hit with that car.
Okay, so this guy's done. He's like done. And the last one.
We got one more.
But he's in the worst spot.
He's the one that almost keeps getting hit by the cars. This is crazy. All right, we are here at Finca Buenos Aires, and we're going to be doing a coffee tour of this finca. They're a coffee plantation, and come along with us.
The region winds around like this, and it's a very, very important pollinizer of the region. So with these plants, we need to plant them there, in that place that is called the Almazga. So please, lady, please. There you go. Like that, coffee arrived to other countries of Africa, then it passes to the limit in between Asia and Europe, then it reaches to the lowlands, then Germany, and in a moment of life, France, thanks to Louis XIV. That was a really, really eccentric king of France. And he liked alcohol, he liked drugs, he liked food since the first moment, so he asked for a private coffee plant in his private garden, and he used to pray to that plant. And Some years later, one of his courtesans asked permission to Luis de Portin to grab some coffee beans from that plant because he was to take those coffee beans to the New World, that is South America. And you know that in South America we have French territory, the French Guianas. From that part was the first part of the South America that got coffee. Then it passes to Brazil in one part, and then it passes to Venezuela, and in the year 1720 it passes to Colombia by the region of Santander, thanks to some Catholic priests that wanted to turn Colombia into a coffee land, but they didn't know how to do it. So they used to listen to the confession of the Catholics. You know that Catholics don't confess their sins with another sinner. So father accused me because I have sinned and I stole a bunch of chickens or whatever. So the priest used to listen to them and tell them, so you have confessed your sins, so now as a penitence for every sin that you have confessed, you're going to plant a new coffee tree in any part of the country. So look around us. We are surrounded by sinners. We are surrounded by bad behaviors. But thanks to that, today we have coffee in 22 of the 32 regions of the country, making it the second most important economy after petroleum salaries.
This is a different strain of coffee that's from this region that ripens yellow.
And each one peels them.
So, who's going to do it first?
Please wait.
Today I want to do it second.
There you go. Perfect. Deal. And here is where we dry our coffee beans with solar energy. It is effective. I mean, solar energy.
Salud.
Cheers. You like it? You don't like it? Oh, I feel bad.
Yeah. Sounds delicious.
You like it?
Yeah.
And what about you guys?